Module 4, Advanced Diagnostic and Repair Techniques, Lesson 13 to 16. Advanced Diagnostic Techniques. Welcome to Module 4, the final module of this program, and the lesson on Advanced Diagnostic Techniques designed for professionals seeking to enhance their skills in using cutting-edge diagnostic tools and equipment. In this session, we will delve into the complexities of diagnostic troubleshooting techniques and enrich our understanding through case studies and group discussions, advanced diagnostic tools, and equipment. In today's technologically advanced landscape, diagnostic tools have evolved significantly. From automotive diagnostics to medical imaging, sophisticated tools are available that assist in pinpointing issues with remarkable accuracy. Key areas include diagnostic software. Various industries utilize specialized software to diagnose problems swiftly and accurately. Imaging technology. Technologies such as MRI, CT scans, and X-rays have revolutionized diagnostics and medicine. Electronic diagnostics. In automotive and electronics, tools like OBD-II scanners and multimeters are commonly used. Sensors and IoT devices. The integration of sensors and Internet of Things IoT devices allows for real-time monitoring and diagnostics. Diagnostic troubleshooting techniques. Troubleshooting is a systematic process aimed at identifying the root cause of a problem. Effective troubleshooting involves step-by-step analysis, breaking down the diagnostic process into manageable steps. Hypothesis testing, formulating and testing potential explanations for the issue. Use of diagnostic flowcharts, implementing flowcharts to guide the troubleshooting process. Iterative testing, repeatedly testing solutions to ensure the problem is resolved. Case studies and group discussions. To gain practical insights, we will explore several case studies across different fields. Case Study 1. Automotive Diagnostics. How advanced OBD scanners help in identifying vehicle issues quickly. Case Study 2. Medical Imaging. Understanding the role of diagnostic imaging in early disease detection. Case Study 3. IT System Failures. Diagnosing and solving critical failures in IT infrastructure. Group discussions. Please engage yourself in group discussions to share experiences and learn from your peers. Discussion Topic 1. Share your experiences with diagnostic tools in your field. Discussion Topic 2. Debate the future of diagnostic tools and their impact on various industries. Discussion Topic 3. Discuss common troubleshooting challenges faced and strategies to overcome them. Executive Summary. Here's a summary of advanced diagnostic and repair techniques. Advanced diagnostic techniques. 1. Scanning tools utilize manufacturer-specific or generic scanning tools to retrieve trouble codes, monitor live data, and perform bidirectional controls. 2. Oscilloscopes employ oscilloscopes to visualize electrical signals, diagnose complex issues, and measure signal waveform and amplitude. 3. Thermal imaging use thermal imaging cameras to detect temperature anomalies, identify overheating components, and inspect electrical systems. 4. Data analysis analyze data from various sources, including scan tools, oscilloscopes, and vehicle computer systems to identify patterns and diagnose complex issues. Advanced repair techniques. 1. Welding and fabrication employ advanced welding techniques such as MIG and TIG welding to repair or fabricate complex components. 2. Electronic component repair or replace electronic components including circuit boards, sensors, and actuators using specialized tools and techniques. 3. Advanced material repair or replace advanced materials such as carbon fiber, aluminum, and high-strength steel using specialized techniques and equipment. 4. Programming and calibration program and calibrate vehicle computer systems, including engine control modules, transmission control modules, and body control modules. Key considerations. 1. Manufacturer recommendations. Follow manufacturer recommendations and guidelines for diagnostic and repair procedures. 2. Safety precautions. Ensure proper safety precautions are taken when working with electrical and electronic systems. 3. Specialized tools and equipment. Invest in specialized tools and equipment to perform advanced diagnostic and repair techniques. 4. Technician training and certification. Ensure technicians are properly trained and certified to perform advanced diagnostic and repair techniques. Here's a summary of advanced diagnostic tools and equipment. Advanced diagnostic tools. 1. Scan tools, manufacturer-specific or generic scan tools that retrieve trouble codes, monitor live data, and perform bidirectional controls. 2. Oscilloscopes visualize electrical signals, diagnose complex issues, and measure signal waveform and amplitude. 3. Thermal imaging cameras detect temperature anomalies, identify overheating components, and inspect electrical systems. 4. Multimeters measure electrical voltage, current, resistance, and other parameters. 5. Signal generators simulate electrical signals to test and diagnose complex systems. Advanced diagnostic equipment. 1. Wheel aligners measure and adjust wheel alignment to ensure proper tire wear and vehicle handling. 2. Brake testers measure brake performance, diagnose brake issues, and ensure safety. 3. Emissions analyzers measure vehicle emissions, diagnose emissions-related issues, and ensure compliance with regulations. 4. Tire changers and balancers efficiently change and balance tires to ensure proper tire wear and vehicle safety. 5. Air conditioning service equipment recover, recycle, and recharge air conditioning systems to ensure proper operation and environmental compliance. Key considerations. 1. Manufacturer compatibility. Ensure diagnostic tools and equipment are compatible with the vehicle manufacturer's specifications. 2. Technician training. Provide technicians with proper training and certification to use advanced diagnostic tools and equipment. 3. Regular maintenance. Regularly maintain and update diagnostic tools and equipment to ensure accuracy and reliability. For cost-benefit analysis, conduct a cost-benefit analysis to determine the feasibility of investing in advanced diagnostic tools and equipment. Here's a summary of diagnostic troubleshooting techniques. Diagnostic troubleshooting techniques. 1. Visual inspection. Visually examine the vehicle and its components to identify signs of wear, damage, or malfunction. 2. Consulting repair manuals and documentation. Refer to repair manuals, wiring diagrams, and technical service bulletins (TSBS) to gain a deeper understanding of the vehicle's systems and components. 3. Gathering information. Collect information about the problem, including the symptoms when it occurs and any recent repairs or maintenance. 4. Using diagnostic tools. Utilize diagnostic tools such as scan tools, multimeters, and oscilloscopes to retrieve trouble codes, monitor live data, and measure electrical signals. 5. Performing tests. Conduct tests such as compression tests, leak-down tests, and fuel pressure tests to diagnose specific problems. 6. Analyzing data. Analyze data from diagnostic tools and tests to identify patterns and trends that can help diagnose the problem. 7. Elimination method. Use the elimination method to systematically eliminate potential causes of the problem until the root cause is identified. 8. Consulting with other technicians. Collaborate with other technicians to gain insight and expertise in diagnosing and repairing complex problems. Key considerations. 1. Safety first. Always prioritize safety when working with electrical and mechanical systems. 2. Use of proper diagnostic equipment. Ensure that proper diagnostic equipment is used to avoid damaging the vehicle's systems or components. 3. Accurate documentation. Maintain accurate documentation of the diagnostic process, including test results and repair procedures. 4. Continuing education. Stay up to date with the latest diagnostic techniques and technologies through ongoing training and education. Conclusion. Mastering advanced diagnostic techniques is paramount in today's rapidly evolving technological landscape. By gaining proficiency in the use of modern diagnostic tools, employing structured troubleshooting techniques, and learning through case studies and peer exchanges, professionals can significantly enhance their diagnostic acumen. We encourage you to continually engage with new technologies and methodologies to stay ahead in your field. Thank you for participating in this lesson, and we look forward to your contributions in the group discussions. See you in the next lesson. Happy learning, folks!